strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think.
Hello, and welcome back to My Indigo Mind. This is your host, Ty Shana, and today, darling, we are going to be talking about my jazzy life, honey. So let's get right into this video. Ew. Well, hello, doll baby. Okay. Jasmine, girl, you was doing slightly well for a while, okay? The tax money wants to run out. Child, don't God forbid. All right, so here's the thing. The video that she put up when she was talking about 5 kids' hair she got to do and all of the things, you can clearly hear Maya like, I'm hungry, girl. Like, it's tea. And she's like, you just ate. You just ate. Like, what can I have? A snake? Girl, my stomach touching my back. You just ate. First of all, I'm going to need y'all to know this about children, right? When they're growing crazy, they eat crazy. Their metabolism is crazy. Okay? So I don't care what my daughter asks me for. I don't care if I'm in the middle of dinner when she come in and say, Mama, I'm hungry. I'm going to go ahead and whip her something up. She ain't got to wait for dinner. You know what I mean? If she's hungry now, she spent all day running around in school, exhausted a lot of energy. They be hungry. Their metabolism is just dumb high. Okay, they will eat you out of your house and your home. So I get budgeting, I get managing. But if my kid comes to me out their mouth, talk about they hungry, they gonna eat. Like, I don't hear her in every vlog now. I don't hear, but if she hungry, she hungry. And then what made me even more upset is the fact that you got upset. Like, it looked like you were totally and completely aggravated that she was even asking you. You're dumb protective over that little boy. Dumb protective, even if it's against your other children. Do you realize how that makes them feel? Like they can't play with their brother? Because I remember vividly when the twins were small, you kept Kaylin picking them up, and she was little at the time. So, what's the difference? I'll tell you. Chris is the baby's dad, and he's probably like, no, don't let them carry him, no, right? So, after that debacle, she's sitting there, she's talking to Kaylin and Maya, she's telling Maya, hey, go around so he can see you because he's stretching his neck, Then we get to a point where I don't know if it was Maya or Kaylin that brought up their dad, right? And she's like, I don't want to hear nothing about him. Don't say nothing about him around me. That was Olivia thing to do. She did the same thing to Christian. She did the same thing. I don't want to talk about him. I ain't got nothing to say about him. What? That girl, that's them kids' whole father. What do you mean? You don't have anything to say? I can't. Do you understand? I can't and I won't. Because see, what Jasmine don't realize is, regardless of what, you're still in the wrong. You knew this man was friends with your baby's father. And it ain't like Phil came home to be a deadbeat because he came and picked up his kids for their birthday without skipping a beat. Wanted to spend time with them. But now you got a little funky attitude. For why? Ain't that them? Those are his kids as much as they are yours. Those are his kids as much as they are yours. You mamas, I swear, some of you grind my gears, because whether that man wants you or not, whether you're with him or not, whether you're with someone else or not, those are still his kids. You cannot use them as pawns on the chessboard. Okay? Using them anytime you want to get your way. Using them anytime you don't get your way. Using them to hurt him. That's corny as fuck. Corny. If you know that man, you have other ways to hurt him. You just trying to really hurt him in a way that's just unrepairable. And how much respect do you think he's going to have for you after that? Because it's not much. It's not much. If we split today and tomorrow, I would never use my daughter as a pawn. Never. I know too much about the man to have to. Okay? Y'all do way too much for clicks and views, baby. And then you putting all this weave and all that in these babies' hair. Like, I can't do it. I can't do it. And wondering why their damn edges is thinning out. Because you're not taking care of their hair. Like, what the hell? It's a certain type of mommy. It's a certain type of mommy that's just never going to let their child be unkempt. It's a certain type of mommy who feels like, look, this baby is a reflection of me. I cannot have you walking around here looking classy. But no, not Jasmine. Not Jasmine and not Olivia. Okay? We're not just going to put our babies up on this internet looking any type of way. We just not going to do it. It's tasteless. It's classless. Okay? And people talk about us as black women enough. And y'all love to add stuff to it. Deadbeat mama. Thought box. Y'all love adding stuff to it. Oh, they not talking to me. No, they are. They talking right to you. Because to be clear, running around here laying on your back for a man just because he got money, just because he got a car, just because he got a career, and there is no mental substance there, what's wrong with you? Have you asked the question, do you even want kids? Huh? Have you ever seen him interact with children? Do you know this man is not crazy and deranged? But no. Y'all don't do y'all research. You know what your research is? Is his dick big. That's what your research is. And it's pretty fucking sad. Because I don't know about you, like, dick's one thing, but if you're an idiot and you're a little slow, I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with that. Ain't worth it for the dick. It ain't worth it. Come on now. Come on. Are you a good dad? Watch him in action with a kid. I mean, really watch him. His mannerisms, how he reacts. Is he patient enough to be a father? These are all things that matter. Kids will drive you insane. This is their job. Okay? But you cannot black out every single time your kid annoys you. You cannot beat them every single time your kid ignores you. You have to be a parent 365, 24/8, 25/8. What are you talking about? Even in my sleep, I'm mothering. Like, y'all really got the game messed up. And because I take motherhood so seriously, it grinds my gears that these women are running around. Fine, we're putting their kids in harm's way. You know it's the paying the ram. Why them kids don't ever have no mask on their faces when they out in public? Why are you the only one in a fucking mask? Why, when you talking about you got strep, are you still sitting there feeding that baby? Why? And then don't even have a mask all the way up on your face. You realize an exchange of air comes through your nose too, right? Dingbat. You're a special kind, Jasmine. I swear you're a special kind of girl. Because you done spent up all that money. All that money. Done bought yourself a new car, because you bought that shit. Miss me. Mama helping pay the rent. What's tea? Why did mommy have to help you pay the rent? You just got your taxes, bro. Just now. Just now. Like, it's fucking beyond me. It's beyond me. But baby, see, look, I got to buy the music. But stay tuned, darling. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe. And while you are at it, hit that notification bell so you know when I post. So, later for now. Bye.